this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to invest in China using Nordnet. So before we get into this video, I want to clarify that you cannot invest in specific stocks inside of the Chinese market using Nordnet, but you can invest in Chinese ETFs, however. And let me show you how you can do that. So the first thing you need to do is open up Nordnet on either your iPhone, Android, or smartphone device, or your PC. Then from here, you will simply need to log into your account. Once you're in your account, you'll need to go down to the Discover tab, the search bar, and click in iShares China. Then from here, you'll be able to see all these different ETFs or ETP that is representing the Chinese market. So you can just choose the specific one that you want to invest in, click on it, and then from here, you'll be able to click buy. As you can see here, I want to buy, let's say 2, and click buy, and then confirm order. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!